on in to CMC Coin Market Cap, where we can see all of today's crypto prices. Okay, let me go ahead and get with you on the flip side here, so that way we can go ahead and take a look at today's crypto market prices. Okay, so I'm just going to go down the list like this. Okay, Bitcoin. All right, we're just going to go ahead and hit. Okay, Bitcoin at 27,914. Okay. Let's go back out of that, right? All right, so yeah, 27,940. All right, and then as we can see, Bitcoin on the day, 24 hour, okay, 1.58% towards the upside. All right, Ethereum sitting at $1,645, 1.6% to the upside today on your prices. USDT, we're looking at the overall dominance for USDT, and we are actually, it's 83.4 billion, so we're still at that 83. So we're watching these stable coins and how the market is going to adjust to stable coins out there. So you could actually see a lot of stuff has been happening with, PayPal, Coinbase, and, all these big providers for the crypto industry. So that's why we'll be seeing much more stuff happening right there, right? All right, BNB at $213.41, 1.1% to the upside today, $32.8 billion market cap, okay, on that, right? Number 5 spot, you got XRP at 52 cents, that's 0.7% to the upside today, and $28 billion market cap. USDC, we have been watching USDC gain more market capitalization, okay, with people diversifying their stable coins, meaning you don't want to be holding all your eggs in one basket, like they say. So diversify your stable coins across the top stable coins, and we're going to be going through them. You have your USDT, you have your USDC, all right, and those are on multiple blockchains, all right. And right now, the market cap is actually 25.2 billion on USDC. So that's actually some heavy use. Solana, all right, today sitting at $23.41. Okay, that's 2.6% to the upside. All right, that's $9.7 billion market cap. Okay, so that's something that we are going to be seeing. Solana, yeah, we're paying attention to these market caps. All right. Cardano, ADA, right, sitting at 26 cents. That's 1.2% to the upside. $9.3 billion market cap. Doge in number 9 spot, okay, at that 6 cents towards the low end, 0.2% to the upside today. So a little bit upward movement happening in those, different cryptos that we're seeing here, right? Okay. Tron sitting at your number 10 spot, okay? So, and it's actually at 8 cents, and it is the only one so far that we've seen some pullback on today. All right, so those are different things that we're paying attention to. Again, Toncoin at $2.16, 4% to the upside today. All right, seeing that, okay, top gainer spot right there. Matic also getting top gainer, which is really interesting. Okay, and Litecoin trending. All right, you got your Bitcoin Shiba lovers out there, okay? You can see the different market caps. True USD, all right, is the next highest market cap stable coin at 3.4 billion. And then I just want to actually see BUSD 2.23 billion market cap. That's what we wanted to pay attention to, the cash flow. Now, Bitcoin, with this upside movement that we're seeing, okay, overall cryptocurrency market cap is now at 1.1 trillion. All right, so there's been a movement, okay, over these, grabbing the dip, and as Bitcoin has seen some, bullish times, okay. you could really interesting. That's a nice flow. Look at that, $50 billion, moving into Bitcoin. All right. So that's something that we want to pay attention to, right? Okay. Now, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and take a look at the charts. Okay. So this way we're going to go ahead and hop onto TradingView over here. All right. And we're doing this on the fly just to get this info out to you guys, doing this, on the mobile. Look at this Bitcoin. All right. I have this a little setup, a little wild here, but we're going to rock through it, right? So we got Bitcoin. Okay. And we got a couple other things happening here. So I like to go into charts. Okay. And I got my Bitcoin. Let me swing all the way up here. Bitcoin, okay, that's the overall market cap. All right, and then that's Bitcoin USD. All right, and on the 1 hour time frame, I'm using Traders Reality Indicator. Okay, so as you can see, these different boxes, okay, telling me the different times of day and the different sessions that we see. All right, so we usually like to pay attention to the different times of day during these different sessions, because that is the busiest time for your crypto trading, right? So we want to see actually what has happened across the board here, and I'm going to go to the 30-minute, and we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. Let's see if I can flip this over here and get this moving. If not, I'm just going to keep it, and we're going to go ahead and go through it, right? Okay, it's not doing what I wanted to do. All right, so this is on the 30-minute time frame, and as you can see, this box right here, okay, is okay. All right, so you can actually see, use the drawing tab, right? Yeah, drawing. Okay, yes. All right, and then we just want to, okay. All right. Yeah, we want to turn drawing on. Okay, let me just get this set up there. Use a long hat for your tools. Okay. All right. Yeah, so that's showing me a lot of stuff. Okay, so yeah, we did see some movement, and this is on the 30-minute time frame. We are above that 50 EMA, okay, which is this line for us, okay, which is the line in between the pink. All right, so we actually seen some movement towards the upside today. That's on the 30-minute. Let's go to the 1 hour. You can see after we dipped down to 27.2, all right, which was target areas that we talked about, and that happened right before the New York session, and then it actually pumped up right at the beginning of the New York session. Okay, so that's what we're actually looking at. Then we go into 4 hour. The 4 hour is now 50 EMA. It's crossed over the 800, which is definitely bullish. All right, and we are at last week high. Okay, and we did see some move towards the upside, and as you can see, we retested those moving averages, and it acted as support, which is beneficial for Bitcoin overall as a whole. Let's go ahead and show you the daily. We are now back above that 800 EMA, which you see right there at the 27,650, okay, is right around range that we can see support, and we kept breaking above and then closing below. So we want to start closing candles on the daily above that 800 EMA range. That's what we're paying attention to. Now you can see, okay, on the last pump when we did actually pull above that white line, all right, the 50 crossed over the 200, and then we started heading back towards the upside. Okay, so that's something that we are paying on your day, right? Okay, All right, so that's Bitcoin on your dollar. All right, so now, yeah, I'll talk about BNB, right? Okay, so BNB at 213. Okay, our 50 EMA on that daily is 218. So this is something that we really need to see for BNB to be gaining strength in the market. That's something that we will be paying attention to, going forward as we go. Okay. This is overall, and I'm looking at on, a daily time scale here because we're just checking and testing. And then we got ETH. Okay. You can see ETH had that pump up to that 1,750, and then we wicked and we came all the way back down to the 1,615. All right, so that was a pretty hardcore swing. We did recover that full vector candle from yesterday. So if we do close above 1,650, that would be bullish. Me looking for those $1,700 target, right? Okay. Now, oh, you guys want to see the XRP, right? XRP at 52. If we close at above that 800 EMA and at 53, that is going to be bullish. As you can see, this is on the daily, and we have been moving towards the upside rapidly, which is amazing. Okay. All right. Oh, yeah. And then you see Bitcoin. Yeah. And then what is this? Matic. Okay. Matic now at the 50 EMA on the daily. So if we close candles above that, that is bullish, and that's something that I'm paying attention to, on the market overall as a whole. Let's go ahead and look at the S&P index, okay? Now, you can see the S&P pulling back towards those moving averages, all right? And we were actually on the daily well below the 50 now, okay? And then that's something that we talk about in our videos, consistently. You can see that we were testing the 50, coming back above it, and now we're well extended. In the post-market, we are seeing a, pump, in the markets as they close. So New York Stock Exchange closing their day out. All right, you had some bullish moves towards the upside there. Okay, dollar index. All right, that's the S&P 500. All right, you can see pulling back on the day. The dollar index, DXY. Okay, 106. Yep. So on a pullback. All right, and let's see, where can we take you guys on the other one? Okay, SPX. Yes. Dollar index, the SPY, S&P 500. All right. All right. And then let's go to the 1 hour. Okay. And then you can see towards the end of the day, we did have a pump in the S&P. So that is something that we are going to pay attention to inside the crypto markets. Okay. Overall, as we get back towards Bitcoin. Okay. BTC, there you go. Oh, yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, okay. So now we're at 27. So we're right below that 28. Everybody wants to go bullish. We are well above psychological highs. All right. And we're closing out the week here, going into the weekend on a push pump, pulling you guys towards the upside. All right. Talking about coin market cap. Don't forget to swing by X. X marks the spot. Don't forget to follow, and you can get all of your top latest news, and you can follow me of everything that's dropping, so you can see all the information that they have. Bitcoin Hope Argentina, Michael Saylor. Okay, big name in the game. All right. And, this is some bullish news that we're seeing. And, always keep your eyes out for, different projects that you love. Don't forget to swing by and follow with us. All right. Mad love. You guys were chilling with all today's charts, news, and much, much more. Until we can get with you guys, you've been chilling with Jay. To the moon.